Hello everyone, welcome to Healthy Cook Life. Today we are going to prepare very healthy and nutritious snack. And this snack is favorite of all ages. Yes, it is roasted salty peanuts. It is very simple and really easy to prepare the snack. Let's go into the process. For this we need peanuts 1 kg or 2 pounds, salt 1 tablespoon and water to dissolve the salt. Let the pan gets heated and hot. Put the shelled peanuts and after about a minute and add the salt water mix and roast for 20 to 25 minutes with frequent stir until it gets brown. And make sure to have the heat in sim and medium flame. Make sure the peanut should not over roasted. Roast the peanuts until it gets dry. And leave it to 2 to 3 minutes. Stir it in between until it gets light brown. Allow this to 20 to 25 minutes. Alright, it is ready now. Let it cool for some time. After that you can serve it. And thanks for watching this video. If you really like this, you share it and subscribe.